thorough scrutiny of the book of accounts. And ultimate aim is to verify the financial position disclosed by the balance sheet and the profit and loss account of a company. So two important aspects. One is the scrutiny that is happening. And the second important aspect is to verify the financial position and profit and loss. So, and how do we know the financial position? With the balance sheet, right? An audit is an examination of accounting records undertaken with a view to establish whether the records correctly and completely reflect the transactions to which they purport to relate. So, an intelligent and critical examination of books, what we call it, is done by an independent qualified person. It is done with the help of vouchers, documents, information, and explanation received from the clients. An auditor satisfies himself with the authenticity of the financial accounts prepared for a particular period. So basically, it is about the scrutiny. It is about, checking on the records, checking on the vouchers, the documents, and the information that has been provided. So this is what we all came to do, is called as auditing. So what are the foundations of auditing? First, the integrity. It upholding the ethical standards and honesty in all actions, maintaining impartiality and unbiased judgment. Then it should be independent. There should not be any bias. There should not be any influence when taking this. There should be confidentiality, protecting the sensitive information, so not revealing the sensitive information. Then somebody should have a skill and competency to do auditing. There's a certain amount of expertise and abilities that are required. Then taking accountability of the work performed. So an auditor takes responsibility of his work. His reports reflect his responsibility that he has undertaken. Then documentation maintains thorough and accurate records. So there are two kinds of files that the maintain. We'll discuss that as we go along. Then there is planning, strategizing, and organizing an audit process effectively. There is audit evidence, gathering sufficient and appropriate evidence. And then accounting system and internal control, ensuring robust financial systems and controls. And then auditing reports. So final is the report part. So these are basically, we start with integrity, objectivity, independence, and confidentiality. And comes to the skill set and the responsibility. Then how he plans it, how they produce that evidence, and then accounting system controls, and then finally coming out to a report. So this is the whole idea of having auditing as a concept. So when we say auditor to ascertain, so what are they ascertaining basically? Vis-a-vis the accounting policies, they ascertain whether the accounting policies have been applied consistently. They should not be, whimsical approach. There should not be ad hocism in that. Second, verify financial information complies with regulations. So regulatory compliance is ensured. Whatever other let down rules, policies, guidelines, whether they have been followed, and whether adequate disclosures have been made or not. So